All right, GR Corolla, tell me your name.
Jonathan Castro.
Jonathan, nice to meet you. I'm Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Really appreciate it. The entire internet has been waiting desperately for this car.
Yeah.
It's all anybody can talk about, as a matter of fact. So today,
finally, we can talk about
yes,
it.
We
finally,
can.
Guys, we're here. This is the GR Corolla Edition Morizo version.
Oh, this is the Morizo.
This is the Morizo.
Even better.
Sitting in the Morizo right
okay.
now.
Great cars, great roads, and all the reasons we love to drive.
TV, web, and podcast. This is Everyday Driver.
So that just means, at least for the first year, only 200 of these are going to be built. It loses the rear seats, the rear window regulators. They've bumped the torque by 20 pound-feet, I think, something like that.
Yeah.
So this is the extra special of the extra special car. And Jonathan here is going to take me on one lap at Eagles Canyon Raceway in Texas. That's because I'm at the Toyota HQ event, and we get just hot laps for now. We don't get the full driving experience. I want to be there, of course. All of you want to be there, but this is just hot laps. We're just checking out the Corolla. It's a great track, and it's a nice hot day. So the tires are good. They're kind of worn in a little bit.
Yeah, they're keeping up pretty good. I am really happy with that.
Okay.
That's one of the main things in this particular days that you're going lap after lap. The tires start degreasing, but right now the guys did a great job with the suspension geometry. And the car is just well balanced, so it doesn't kill much tires. Still fast.
You get air conditioning. What the heck? Air conditioning and everything?
Air conditioning, my friend.
We should listen to music
I don't
while
have
we're
that
at
luxury in my race car, so.
I know. The GR Cup car is not that way either. So check out the shift lever. It's Alcantara, and it says Morizo right on the top. I hope people don't buy these cars and immediately put them in their collection and don't drive them. That's not what it's designed for, even though it's a special edition. Please go beat the snot out of your Morizo car. That's
a good advice, my friend, because I believe cars like this are meant to be to drive. This is a driver's car. This car is to drive it.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, let's go for it. We're going to take a lap with you.
I like it.
Hope that you like it. Any questions?
Thank you, man.
While I'm driving, just go for it.
This is no Rev-match, correct? It's just...
I didn't put it on.
Okay, it is what it is. I mean, you don't have to put it on. I'm just curious.
I just like to go for it.
Okay, good.
Brake and go, right? So just
a little trail braking right through there.
Ability of the car.
Yeah. You let that back end come around, because this is all-wheel drive.
We have on the back the old version. You see?
Oh, yeah.
Right behind us.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay. The old version. Did you just say the old version?
Yeah. Oh, not the old version. Sorry. My bad.
No, it's all good. It's all good. I love it. It's a good track. I kind of wish the seats were the ones out of the Cup car. That's all good. See, you are using all the track. That's great, man.
I just left that in 4th gear so you can feel the torque.
Like
I'm going
it.
to do in 3rd gear.
I like it.
Keep the car rolling. You see how the car just handles and just go for it?
Yeah.
I'm not doing much movement.
Are you just feathering through there?
Just feathering a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little braking.
Little braking.
Go.
Trail brake.
And hard brake.
Right.
3rd gear.
Good. Little push.
Can you hear?
Yep.
Just pushing a little bit.
This is so impressive. I mean, nobody ever thought they would say about a Corolla that they desperately want one. Nobody says that until now. Good hard braking zone, little chicane action. Yeah, 3 cylinders. Jeez.
The car doesn't move. That's impressive.
Yeah.
It doesn't move.
Unreal. Yep. Little back end comes around. Give it some power. Brilliant. I think it was Bobby Rahal that said, "A squealing tire is a happy tire." I think that quote is attributed to him. Well, hello.
Oh, we're a press guy here.
Yeah, hello,
How you doing?
GR
Bye.
anything. Oh, yeah.
How tall this car goes?
It just moves. Thank you, man. This is brilliant.
Hope you like it.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Well done. Great lap. I was just in the GR Cup car, and that car has slick tires, and it's designed to be a race car. Even though this one almost is, this thing isn't far behind the Cup car. Even though it has a lot more horsepower, but it's heavier, this thing feels almost the exact same way. It's astoundingly good.
That's well said,
Corolla.
my friend.
Corolla, right? I never expected that, we'd all want Corollas now. Guess that's where we're at. Thank you again, man.
Very nice to meet you.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Thank you.
take care.
All right. Okay. Where do they put deposits? Where are the deposits for this car?
All right.
Take my money over there.
Yeah, go for it. That guy.